A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Amri Rahman. I'm studying in Standard 11 Science in the School Heritage Convent. First of all, I would like to welcome everyone who is present in this function. The topic about which I'm going to speak today is voting is an agent of change. As we all know, democracy as defined by the 16th President of United States of America, Abraham Lincoln, it is the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. So as we understood from the definition itself, it is a government in which the representative or those people who are elected by the people, they would either go to the parliament or the assembly and they would do the decision making and do the governance on our behalf. So it is our responsibility as a responsible citizen to choose a right and deserving person to voice our opinion on our behalf in the government. In fact, voting is the most crucial part through which we can influence the decision-making process of the government. Voting and democracy plays a very important role in a nation because it is a self-measure. Through voting, we can be a part of the decision-making process. And not only that, our vote is our power. If we don't like a certain government, we can change it in the next term through our voting. A single vote is a deciding factor between a winning party and a losing party. Every vote counts when it comes to election in a democracy. Voting gives us the opportunity to be a part of a big change. Voting also provides us the opportunity to select the quality of life that we want for ourselves and for our future generations. Voting gives us the chance to let our desires and values known to the leaders of our country, our state, and our city. It is the only way through which we can decide for our destiny. One single vote matters a lot. A man without a vote is a man without protection. So when a certain person thinks that when he or she doesn't vote, it won't affect the government, that is wrong. Because when he or she doesn't vote, it would impair the security of the entire nation, because it would end the government being in the hands of a bad official or a bad government, and only the people suffer due to poor governance. So we should try to be a responsible citizen and take part in voting. Here we can also remember the sayings of Abraham Lincoln, who said that ballot is more powerful than the bullet, which is really true in the present era, because no other ammunition or weapon is as strong as a single vote can be a deciding factor. It decides our destiny. Not just that, voting is a way through which we can represent our thoughts in the government. We can be a part of the country's administrative system through voting. So with this, I would like to say that we should all go out and vote, because democracy is not a spectator sport. It is something which we should participate in so that we can bring about a change in the society, in our nation, and as a whole to the world. So we should all vote.
Thank you, Amran.